Platinum Tech's 12-piece combination internal and external snap ring pliers set comes with 4 different plier sizes that have either a straight, 45, or a 90-degree tip at the end. The pliers are convertible for use on internal and external snap rings. They have a knurled center screw with a spring so they can be easily changed between squeezing and spreading. The pliers also have a cushioned handle so they are comfortable regardless of how they are being used. Also, the pliers are made in the USA. The set comes in a custom blow-molded storage case for added convenience. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of Platinum Tech products, please visit atdtools.com.